Welcome. We are standing currently at the beautiful entrance that has been done by members of the Garden Club of Toronto, all done with tissue paper and orchids and just beautiful swooping designs. And behind me, leading into the show, is the alley of international designers. And these are designers who have come from around the world. We've got Northern Ireland, we've got Belgium. We have people from all over the world coming to do this show for the first 5 days. And here we are in front of our wonderful Hollywood sign. And what more iconic picture could you have than Marilyn standing here greeting all of us? All the plant material is being watered daily. The sign was hand-painted by one of our volunteers, for which we are very grateful. And as a matter of fact, speaking of volunteers, you should know that this whole process would not be possible without volunteers. So if ever some spring you're looking for something to do, please feel free to volunteer for us. Now, right beside this is our miniature designs, and they are under 5 inches tall. Usually about 3.5 to 4 inches in total. We have both dried material in one set, and we have fresh material in another set. And these interpret various themes. The dried material this year is sci-fi, so people let their imaginations go wild and had all sorts of tiny little things. There's a Star Trek badge, there's aliens, there's wispy things happening. And over in fantasy, it's Fantasyland. So we have things that are very tiny, but we have things that are the opposite end of the scale. And here we are in front of all these wonderful dresses that are based on Disney characters. We've got Belle, we have Pocahontas, we have Tinkerbell, we have Ursula from The Mermaid. All of these are made entirely of plant material, sitting on these mannequins. I mean, this has got rose petals and hydrangeas. Pocahontas has got a lot of birch bark. Tinkerbell's got wonderful wings. She looks like she's going to take off and fly. And Ursula is just kind of swimming up from the depths. So these are fun to see and amazing works of art, and they will be here for the full 10 days of the show. Directly opposite, we have a special exhibit. These special exhibits are a combination of cut material and rooted material, and they are window boxes, things that you could do yourself. They're beautiful. They just bring this whole touch of spring to you again. And all 5 of them here just make you want to smile at this time of year so that you can enjoy the sight and the smell. I mean, look at the lovely tulips and the forsythia and the daffodils coming and beautiful little pieces of plant material. So if you want to see things that you can create for yourself, come and look at the window boxes, because they certainly will give you lots of ideas that you can take home and incorporate for yourself. The Toronto Flower Show is part of Canada Blooms as a whole, and Canada Blooms was founded many years ago by the Garden Club of Toronto and Landscape Ontario as our gift to the City of Toronto. And it has been thriving and growing ever since. It is a wonderful place to come and visit. You get to see all the latest. You get to see things that are retro. You get to see things that are new. You get to see things that are just simply beautiful. And above all, in March, at this time of year, you get to smell green and smell earth, and there is nothing that can make the heart sing like those wonderful odors and sights, and just the green surrounding you makes you feel whole again.